Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and we're Saturday and we're gonna slay. And today I'm actually gonna use this palette. I've had this palette there for a minute and I've never used it. It's from Uoma Beauty. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so she looks like so, and that's the little, so it looks like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but we're gonna do something. So this is a F150 from Makeup by Yolondo or Pimby. So I'm gonna go into Mazatlan, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna put this like right here. So I pack and then I kind of try to buff it up on the edges a little bit. This is a pretty, I don't know, it's like, is it pulling like, it looks like a brown, but in certain ways it's like, it's pulling like a burgundy kind of color. And just put it right here. I'm not going too crazy, maybe, I don't know, who knows. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my brush and I'm gonna go in with like no product on the brush, and I'm just gonna try to like buff this up a little bit because we don't want it to be too harsh. And now I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Aurora, I don't know. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm just butchering these names. Going on the edges, just the edges. And let's clean that blush again. And I'm gonna go into a note in here, which is this shade right here, and I'm just gonna use that to like just buff the edges. Man, every time I'm recording, that guy is like living with this car and it's so loud. And now we're gonna go back into Mazatlan, and then we're just gonna put that right here. These are just like nice and quick looks, like everyday looks. I know you look at it and you're like, no, this is not everyday look. It is everyday, because these are nice and easy. And now I'm just gonna go in with my glitter glue from Nyx, and I'm just gonna put this right here. I'm gonna use this number 18 brush, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go into Trinidad, which is this shade right here. That's a nice shimmer. It's a nice shimmer. I need this. This is what, the M506. Now we're gonna go to this shade called Barranquilla. And I'm just gonna put this like right here. Kind of as something to buff. Ooh. I just passed this in a pink. And I'm gonna go back to that green a little bit. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and let's talk foundation again. Today we're gonna do the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX. My shade in this is, I don't know, caramel. I think that's actually might be a little bit dark for me, but we're just gonna go with it. It's like, we just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it and see. Ooh, this girl almost not prime. I'm gonna use my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. This definitely leaves like a white cast. And let's jump in with that foundation. Is that my shade? Or is it just because this thing is like so light? There's a pump. I'm not sure what's wrong with the pump. It's not really working. So we're just gonna... This is maybe not the most sanitizing way to use your product like this. But again, I don't use my foundation on anybody but myself, so... And I'm gonna use this concealer from Clinique. It is the Even Better All Over Concealer. This is not the shade I wanted, but the actual shade that I wanted, they were out of it, so I took the closest one to it. Oh well. Because I wanted it a little bit darker than this. But is my lighting? Like, I look white. So I think I need a real dark. Let's use Carnival from Black Opal. And I am thirsty. I love these. What flavor is this? Watermelon. Now let's go ahead and blend it. I need to go a little bit dark with this. I'm going a bit darker because this foundation is like... Yep, that's it.
That's it. Come on, hit it.
And let us blend all this concealer. I mean, yeah, it looks like... I was gonna try to say, maybe it doesn't look too bad. No, it looks bad. No matter how I try to come with it, it is light. But again, we'll make that baby work. Just wait and see. Let's do some Laura Mercier. And then let us set the rest of the face, and I'm gonna use my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Let this rest, and let us get in with a bronzer. And this is by Makeup by Yolondo. Ooh, this girl is going too heavy. Now I'm gonna go into this shade. I'm just gonna buff this. I think I went a little bit crazy. Okay. Actually, I got this from Complex Culture that I want to try, and it is the Good Glow Blush Duo and Spiced Up and Be Content. I feel like I'm gonna use this. So what's that? Spiced Up. Okay, that was a lot. Look at this. This did not come to play. Ooh, girl. That was a lot, and I'm gonna use Gold Deposit from MAC. I don't think they carry this anymore, so but I have it. I'm gonna use it. So let's finish up the eye real quick. So I'm gonna go into the dark shade Mazatlan. Trying to find an eyeliner. I don't think I want black. Black might just be too black, you know what I'm saying? This is fine. This is from NYX, and what shade is this? Oh my god, I can't find the name. Oh, it's 5 Golden Olive. Perfect. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Aurora, just like a little snippet, like right here. And I'm gonna go into what is it called? Bahai. And I'm gonna put a little bit right here. Ooh. Or maybe not a little bit. Okay, so eyes are done. I'm gonna dust off this powder. Okay, I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Morphe setting spray. Yeah, this is from J-Cat, and then this is, man, they have this 244. No, 224 plum. They have these things written so little. I can't find it. My blind self. I'm not blind, I just can't find it. Maybe I can't find it because I'm blind, right? I like how this is supposed to be plum, but this is pulling more red. I know plum is red, but I was expecting like a deeper shade of red. Who knows? Okay, we're gonna go in with Cranberry from Makeup by Yolondo. See, I was expecting it to be that color. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I really like how this look came out. I know it's not something crazy, which is what I was going for, you know, everyday look. I know I do some dramatic looks on my channel. So this, I know you can wear to go to work, church, you know, wherever you're gonna go. That's not, you know, you don't need anything crazy. So that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
You know you're still the one for me, even though we are done. But we both know that we don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses. You know what, I don't care.